Hey, what's up? We are at the world famous Rainbow Bar and Grill. This is like my favorite hangout like in the world. Oh my gosh, there's so much history here with amazing rock bands that would always come here, hanging out after shows at the Roxy and the Whiskey A Go Go and the Viper Room and the Key Club, and the list goes on. Anyway, I am here. We're waiting for our food, James and I. Awesome chocolate milkshake, but we're not here to talk about that. I'm here to show you how to put together Fidgi. Now it's kind of loud in here, so I'm not going to talk through it. I'm going to show you. So this is going to be a visual video. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. So I'm going to show you the steps. I'm going to mime my way through it. Are you ready? Here we go. I have to remember how to do it. I got it. Okay. So. Thank you. Right? Now the neck. This little piece here, one by one. This goes. Up. You can't even think that. Everyone cares. Now, these are left over, right? It's like this little hand and this little thing here. They're just extra pieces in case you lose one, but if you put these together, this isn't the actual lamp of wisdom, it's a fake lamp, but you put them together, it's like an extra little fake lamp. You have just the 2 extra pieces you get just for supporting Fidgi and getting this little Fidgi. It's adorable, right? His head can turn in different directions. No. So there you have it. There is Fidgi. Adorable. I want to see your pictures of Fidgi and Aladdin, all the adventures that you have.
With that kanji in the back?
Mm-hmm. The kanji in the back says add oil.